Hi guys, I'm from Math Academia and today we'll be reviewing a question on mensuration. The diagram shows a piece of cardboard which is made of a semicircle, a square, and a parallelogram. And the question wants us to find the area of the piece of cardboard. So first, by studying the diagram, we will realize that AF is the diameter of the semicircle, which can be reflected as 2r. Okay, so with that, we can conclude that the side of the square is 2r. All right, so the height of the cardboard is 126 cm, which is made up of the radius of the semicircle and the height of the square. Previously, we have concluded that the side of the square is 2r, so I can write this as 2r. So we know that 126 gives me 3r. So the radius of the semicircle would be 42 cm, and the height of the square would be 2 times the radius of the semicircle, which is 84 cm. All right, and since it is given that the horizontal length of the cardboard is 150 cm, and we know that this is 84, we will be able to find the height of our parallelogram, which is 150 minus 84, which gives us 66 cm. And we know that the length of the base of our parallelogram is the same as the height of our square, which is 84 cm. With that, we will be able to find the area of each part of our cardboard. So for the area of the semicircle will be given by half times pi times r squared, which is half times pi times 42 squared. The area of our square would be 84 squared, and the area of our parallelogram would be 84 multiplied by 66. So the area of the cardboard will be given by half times pi times 42 squared plus 84 squared plus 84 times 66, which gives us 15,370 cm squared. I hope you understand my explanation. Thank you.